Alright, Spectator, look, I shuffle these cards and now you take 4 random cards. It's really free, it's not forced. You take card number 1, number 2, number 3 and maybe 4. It's really free, it's not forced. You take these 4 random cards. Look, you take 9 of hearts, 10 of clubs, 3 of hearts and Joker. Joker is wild cards because Joker change Ace of Spades and change this for Ace. It's really amazing. Look, you search this for Ace, diamonds, hearts, clubs and spades. I take this for Ace and put in her like this. It's really for Ace, right? And now I search this for Ace and bottom deal. Look, 1, 2, 3. Oh, this is 3, maybe 4. Yes, 4 Ace. Let's learn. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4 Ace and search unbelievable card trick. Welcome back to my channel. Today I will teach you really unbelievable card routine. It's really nice production, it's really nice change, it's really nice switch, it's really foundation card magic. So guys, please subscribe to my channel, like in this video right now, maybe share this video with your friend magician, why not, maybe your friend really magician. And now take your deck and teach this really unbelievable card trick. Let's go. Alright, for this trick you make a little setup. You take 4 Ace, spades, hearts, clubs and diamonds. And these 4 Ace put in her like this. It's really easy setup. 4 Ace put in her like this. Right. And next step you make any full shuffle, you make any full scat. It's really anywhere, right? Maybe you make full scat like this. You take this deck in your right hand, make a swing cut, make a break, swing cut, of course you save it your break, swing cut, save it your break, this pile drop it, of course you save it your break, and now maybe you make a German pass like this. And now 4 Ace here. It's really easy. Look, you take this right hand, make swing cut, make a break, save it your break, drop it this pile your break, of course this 4 Ace, right? And now make a German pass like this. Of course you control it this 4 Ace, right? And next step, Spectator, take any 4 cards. Of course don't take this 4 Ace, because you make a spread like this and Spectator take really any 4 cards. Maybe take these cards, maybe this, and maybe this. It's really free, it's not forced. You take these 4 cards and show these 4 cards like this. Step your left hand, count 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. And make a break and save it your break, right? Take these 4 cards, turn over, and now your left hand count 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4. And save it your break. Alright, next step you drop it this pile like this, and now your right hand take 8 cards. 4 random cards and 4 Ace. Alright, I repeat. Save it your break. Take these 4 cards, turn over these 4 cards like this, make a count 4 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, turn over these 4 cards like this, and now you take 8 cards. 4 Ace and 4 random cards. Alright. And next step you show these 4 cards like this. You take this 7 of clubs and make a slip cut like this. Take 5 of diamonds, make slip cut, take Queen of spades, make a slip cut, and now these 5 cards, 1 random cards and 4 Ace. You take these 5 cards like this, and now you make a shake change these 5 cards like this. And next step you make a change these 3 cards, 3 Ace. You make move it like this. You take this pile, drop it this like this, and squeeze these 3 cards and make a spread this 4 Ace. Of course you make a change. 4 random cards, 4 Ace. It's really easy, it's really visual, it's really unbelievable effects. Alright. And now your setup look like this. 1 cards face down and 3 cards face up. And next step you make a display this 4 Ace like this, diamonds, hearts, clubs, spades, and your left hand count 4 cards. 1, 2, 3, 4, and make a break and save at your break. And now you make a really nice card switch. Look, you take this 4 ace, show it this 4 ace, and now use this finger, take this your break these cards, right? Because this is 3 cards face up. Look, you use this finger, your right hand takes this pile like this. Use this finger, take these cards, 1 cards face down. And now you turn over and take these 3 cards face up and turn over these 7 cards like this and squeeze, right? I repeat, 3 cards face up, make it display like this. Look, it's very normal for ace. Count 4 cards, 1, 2, 3, 4, make a break, save at your break, show this for ace. Take these 3 cards face up, take this 1 cards face down, slide these 3 cards face up and turn over this pile like this. Of course, this is 3 cards, this is 3 random cards. Squeeze, take these 4 cards, of course, this is take 3 cards and 1 ace. And now you make a nice card control. You make it fun, take these random cards, these random cards, these random cards, and this ace make move it like this. And spectator think it's really random position. Of course, you control it this ace bottom of the deck. I repeat, make it fun, 1, 2, 3. It's really true ace, and make move it like this. And squeeze, alright? And now 3 ace here and 1 ace here. And next step you make a top shot 3 cards. Take 1, 2, 3, and production is 3 ace. It's really nice because 3 ace random positions center of the deck. It's really unbelievable production 3 ace. And next step you count these cards like this. Of course, this is ace of diamonds. Count 1 cards like this, and now use this finger, take this ace like this, alright? And now production this ace like this. It's really easy production. Make a break, save it your break, take this deck your right hand, and production this ace like this. It's really cool production. And production ace of diamonds. I repeat slow-mo, make a break, and production is ace of diamonds. It's really easy, it's really cool production for aces. Thank you for watching my video, see you later.